Hi, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Well, this is the part 2 of my first lesson regarding creating or constructing the basic line and basic polyline in Autocad. I hope you already watched the part 1 of this video tutorial, because this video tutorial for today is just the continuation of our lesson on the first video regarding about the line and polyline. So the last lesson that I shared with you is how to construct the basic line and the basic polyline. Okay. The last video I show you how to draw the line by simply clicking typing L on your keyboard, and here we have the line, right? And by typing F8 to activate our auto mode, and again I will construct the 3-meter line. So we have it here now. Okay. Here. And we have the polyline, the 3-meter again, 3-meter. So I have here. Then let's change the color of this one again to magenta. So we have this one. Okay. Now another difference between polyline and line. Okay. Now I will create a line, a continuous line. For example, this one, line. I will create a continuous line wherever I want. And this one, for example, this is my line. I created it wherever I pick everywhere in my workspace. Okay, this is line that I created. Let's try polyline. Okay, I will hit anywhere on my workspace as well, something like that. I have to continue doing like that. Okay, and I have to stop. Okay. Now, what's the difference? If I will pick one segment of my line I created earlier, for example, I will pick this one, as you notice that only this segment is selected. Okay, this is the lines. Then let's go to polylines. If I will pick this one, you see all the segments are selected, because polyline, when you do it continuously, it will come in one entity. Unlike inline, even you do it continuously, the what do you call this? It will only, it's like an exploded polyline. It's like an exploded line. See, this one is, if I will pick this one, it is selected individually, something like this. So that is the difference. So there's a lot of entity when it comes to line. So in polyline, wherever you pick a segment, it will be selected all, because this one is one entity. Unlike this one, is an exploded entity in line. So that's the another difference between these two. Okay. And another thing that I want to explain also to you, or to demonstrate to you, polyline is versatile. I can do many things about this kind of command. For example, I can make an arrow using only polyline. Okay, by doing that, let's try making an arrow using only polyline. For example, okay, type PL on your keyboard, hit enter. Then it says here, on your window command line, specify starting point. Okay, I will start my point here. Then here, there's a lot also of parameters that I am seeing here in my command window line. See, you see here, arc, have width, length, and do, and width. Let's try width. Okay, type W for the short or simplify the with command, then hit enter. And again, here in the command window line, AutoCAD is asking us specify starting with. So I have to specify my starting with 0 value. Okay? So since this is already 0 value, I just hit enter. Meaning I agree. Enter. Then it says here specify ending with. Okay? So I will specify the ending with, let's say 200. Okay. Now it's here. Then I will specify the length, let's say 300. Okay. Then the tail of my arrow, so I have to come back again to the command width here. So I will type W, enter. Then I will specify the width, let's say 50. Then specify ending width, let's say again 50. So then the length, let's say I will specify 300. Now I have now my arrow. I have to move it here. Up. See, I have an arrow using only the command Polyline. Then another trick on Polyline. Let's say I will create Polyline PL, pick here, but it adopts the last command of width, which is I think 50 in width. So I have to return it back to default or 0 value. I will just type W on my keyboard, enter, and I will input the value of 0, enter. Specify ending with 0. It's already there, so I will just hit enter. Now my polyline is set back to default or 0 value. Now I can specify the length that I want. For example, I want 1 meter length. So I have here. It says here, let's try another parameter search. Let's say arc. I will type arc, enter. So then angle, center, close, direction, how width, line, radius, second point. Let's say, let's try second point by typing S. Okay, so the second point of my arc, let's say here, let's say here. So my second point is here, so I can make my arc something like that. Then if I want to return to line, just type L for this line, type L on my keyboard. So my polyline will return back to line mode here, and then continue here. Then let's continue with, say, arc again. A, enter. Second point, yes. So my second point of my arc will be here again. Then I have to continue again for the line mode. Then I can make another line here, here, and here. Okay? It's simple. Okay. Another thing, how this polyline command is versatile. For example, I want to make a tapered line. Okay. Again, type PL. Pick anywhere for my first point. Let's say I will program my width, starting with something like this. Starting with, let's say I want 200. Enter. Then specify ending width, let's say 500. Now I have a tapered, let's say 1000 or 1 meter inlet. Now I have a tapered line having 200 starting point. This one here, this is the starting point, having 200, and in the ending point, which is here, having 500. So it looks like a tapered one. So that is how Polyline works in our Autocad. I hope this video will help you a lot. You learned a lot in what's the difference between line and polylines. So if you have some comment, just type on the comment section below. Then on our next video, I will proceed to another tutorial regarding our draw command in Autocad. Maybe we will tackle about the circle, arc, ellipse, and the remaining toolbars in draw command. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are always updated, you are always notified if I have new video uploaded in YouTube. Thank you and bye bye. This is your Sangkai area signing off for this video tutorial.